Every gift card tells a story. At Plastek, we bridge the gap between secure manufacturing and seamless retail experiences. Our world-class manufacturing process begins with precision measurements with raw materials, measured to exact tolerances, ensuring consistency in every gift card. Advanced printing technology brings designs to life on our production lines, where quality control is built into every step. But precision is just the beginning. We craft cards that command attention. From our premium PVC material, recycled paper materials, holographic security features, embossed finishes that customers can feel. From frosted, translucent to metallic foil, each finish elevates your brand. These aren't just cards. They're the bridge between your business and unforgettable customer moments. Watch as our cards move seamlessly from manufacturing floor to retail environment, creating frictionless transactions that keep customers coming back. Plastek Custom Card Solutions, where secure manufacturing meets retail excellence. Get a custom quote today at plastekinc.com.